Hello everyone, welcome back on Extraordinary DIY. So hello, today we're going to make some cherry earrings, which I'm really excited for because I saw a picture of cherry earrings and I fell in love with them. And so I'm going to make these out of polymer clay, and this was kind of the moment where I realized my polymer clay was kind of dry, so it was really difficult to work with. So you can start by making 4 balls the same size out of polymer clay. Now you can shape it more into a cherry, and when you're done you can put an eye pin into your cherry so you will be able to hang it up later on. The leaves are also really easy to make, so you just need some green polymer clay and just shape a leaf, and I actually also carved into the leaf. And if you want some extra movement you can bend your leaf so it has a curve. So you can bake your polymer clay according to the instructions of your package. When it's baked you can just glue your eye pin into your cherry so it stays on. I actually used nail polish. Then you can attach everything together with a jumpring and just add your cherries, your leaf and your earring piece. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up this video if you liked it, comment down below if you liked it, and also comment what kind of video you want to see next time, and subscribe to my channel. Bye!